I would not have guessed that we'd be becoming a factory. I mean, when I was in high school or when I was in early college. But on the journey to planning and executing that, we learned one, you're never gonna find space at the size that we need that could ever work in any sort of a plan for a business that would be in the industry of apparel manufacturing. The space we're in right now would be way too much overhead for a startup factory to actually, get to a stable, profitable level in any sort of a realistic time frame. So in places where the industry might be a little more prevalent, the overhead in terms of real estate is just barrier, too much of a barrier for us. So the equipment was obviously expensive, and what we saved in real estate and labor and all kinds of things, we were able to put into equipment like this. And so I think that's another testament as to why we're here. There's a lot of miscellaneous expenses that we're saving through the labor that can go directly into the equipment. Continuing an unrelenting focus on our niche, on knitwear and 3D printing and our inputs, our yarns, we've been able to create a model that lets us make over 150,000 units of product annually in this facility with the equipment we have now. And, that's no stretch. That's what we're going to do over the next 12 months, unlocking over 500,000 units of product by 2028. We're really excited to watch the throughput numbers come up. And that's what really matters to brands, especially some of the largest brands in the country, many of whom are headquartered in Ohio. You can't beat us, so join us.